how much should you actually spend on hiking boots? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, NORTIV-8 Military Tactical Boot. The NORTIV-8 Men's Military Tactical Boot caught my attention with its rugged design and the price tag of just $59.99. If you want a lightweight boot that can handle tough conditions, this is worth a serious look. What stands out about these boots is the advanced cushioning. The EVA midsole provides shock absorption, making those long hikes a lot more comfortable. The breathable mesh lining helps keep your feet dry, which is a must when you're out on the trails. With a sturdy rubber outsole, you can expect excellent traction on various surfaces, giving you confidence on slippery or uneven ground. The padded collar offers extra ankle support, which is vital when you're navigating tricky terrains. Now, some people complained about the sizing being off. Here's the thing though, if you take the time to measure your foot properly, you should be fine. This boot is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet reliable option for hiking or work situations. Now, if the slight sizing issue concerns you, this next boot might take a different approach. Product number 2, SHULOOK Waterproof Hiking Boots. Next up, we have the SHULOOK Men's Waterproof Hiking Boots priced at a very affordable $42.99. If you're after something lightweight and waterproof, this is definitely worth considering. These boots feature a premium synthetic suede that keeps your feet dry with its SLTX waterproof membrane, which is a huge win during those unexpected rain showers. Weighing only 1.25 pounds, they won't weigh you down, and the breathable lining keeps your feet comfortable all day. The closed-cell tongue is a thoughtful addition, preventing debris from sneaking in. Plus, the rubber toe design adds that little bit of extra protection you need when tackling rocky paths. However, some users noted that the traction could be better on mud. Here's the thing though, for most casual hikes, these boots should perform just fine. This is perfect for you if you enjoy day hikes or casual outdoor activities without breaking the bank. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious hikers. Product number 3, Merrell Moab 3 Hiking Shoe. The Merrell Moab 3 hiking shoe comes in at $110 and it's a favorite among serious hikers. If you're looking for a reliable and durable hiking shoe, this one deserves your attention. With a pigskin leather and mesh upper, the Moab 3 offers both breathability and durability. The bellows tongue design keeps out debris, which is a nice touch when you're hiking in less than ideal conditions. Plus, the Kinetic Fit Advanced insole provides medium support and cushioning, so your feet feel great even on longer treks. This shoe has a solid 4.6-star rating from over 14,300 reviews, which speaks volumes about its performance. But I'll be real with you, some people found them a bit heavy compared to other options. That said, if you need extra support for long-distance hikes, this weight really isn't a deal-breaker. This is ideal for you if you're serious about hiking and want a shoe built for the outdoors. Now, if the weight of the Merrell Moab 3 is a concern, check out our next option that might just surprise you. Product number 4, NORTIV-8 Ankle High Waterproof Boots. Now let's talk about another great option from NORTIV-8, their ankle-high waterproof hiking boots priced at just $46.68. If you want something comfortable for both hiking and everyday use, this could be a good fit. These boots come with removable, shock-absorbent insoles. That's crucial for all-day comfort on the trails or even just running errands. The lightweight EVA midsoles reduce foot fatigue, which is super important on longer hikes. They also feature non-slip rubber soles for stability, so you can confidently tackle varied terrains without worrying about slipping. With a solid 4.4-star rating from over 22,600 reviews, they have many satisfied customers. However, some users have mentioned that the waterproofing could be improved. But honestly, for the price, they do a decent job. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly boot that you can wear all day, whether you're hiking or just hanging out. Now, if waterproofing is a key factor for you, our final boot might be your best bet. Product number 5, NORTIV-8 Armadillo Hiking Boots. Finally, let's look at another pair from NORTIV8, the Armadillo hiking boots, also at $46.68. If you're seeking something lightweight and stylish for casual hikes, this is a great choice. These boots emphasize comfort, featuring cushioned insoles that absorb shock and enhance support for your feet. Plus, the rubber sole provides excellent traction, ensuring you stay stable on all types of terrain. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 22,600 reviews, they've gained quite the reputation. But a few buyers pointed out that they might not hold up as well on very rugged terrain. Here's the thing though, for casual hiking and everyday wear, they perform admirably. This is a solid choice if you want an affordable boot that looks good and works well for light hikes. In conclusion, each of these hiking boots has its strengths, whether you prioritize comfort, waterproofing, or budget-friendly options. It really comes down to what you need for your adventures. To recap, we discussed the NORTIV8 military tactical boot for budget-conscious hikers, the SHULOOK waterproof boots for lightweight comfort, the Merrell Moab 3 for serious hikers, and two solid options from NORTIV8 for casual wear. Each has something unique to offer, depending on your hiking needs.